MD Nahid Islam, a sport journalist, photographer, and media professional based in Qatar. Over the past 8 years, I have covered international sporting events, worked with the media organization, and volunteering at global events, including the AFC, QFA, and FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. In this lesson, I will share 3 essential skills for building a successful career in global sports media. First, learn how to tell interesting stories that connect with audience. Second, develop practical skill in photography, video production, and digital content creation. Third, use volunteering and international event to gain experience, build professional network and career opportunity. My courses are based on real world experience and practical example that learner can apply immediately. Thank you for watching. I look forward to helping you grow your career through LinkedIn Learning.